To be honest, the smartphone world has entered a new phase. A phase where leaks aren't accidents anymore, they're part of the system. Every year, Apple tries harder to protect its secrets, and every year, those secrets still end up online. Design files leak, chip details leak, production plans leak, and now, the latest name creating serious noise in the tech world is iPhone 17e. Yes, Apple's next E-series iPhone. A phone that could either become Apple's smartest budget move in years, or repeat the same mistakes of the past. Today, we'll break down what the iPhone 17e really is, when it's launching, what upgrades it brings, expected pricing, and whether this phone is actually worth waiting for. Before we talk about the iPhone 17e, we need to understand what went wrong with the iPhone 16e. Apple launched it with a clear goal: attract first-time iPhone buyers and expand the ecosystem. On paper, it sounded perfect. But in markets like India, the problem was simple: price. At around 60,000 rupees, users got a single camera, a 60Hz display, a notch design, and average battery life. When compared to Android phones at the same price, it just didn't feel justified. Interestingly, the iPhone 16e wasn't a global failure. In Japan, it made up around 11% of iPhone sales. In China, nearly 21%. That proved one thing very clearly: the concept works. The pricing strategy didn't, and Apple noticed. When something works in one region and fails in another, Apple doesn't quit, it refines. Multiple supply chain leaks now confirm Apple is working on a dedicated iPhone 17e, listed internally as a separate model, not Pro, not Plus, not Base. This strongly suggests Apple is turning the E-series into a long-term product line. The expected strategy is simple. The main iPhone 17 lineup launches in September. Then, around January or February, Apple drops the iPhone 17e to refresh demand, boost Q1 sales, and keep attention on the brand throughout the year. Design-wise, don't expect anything radical on the back: a single camera, aluminum frame, glass back. But the big upgrade is the front. Leaks suggest Apple is finally ditching the notch and bringing Dynamic Island to the iPhone 17e. Inside, it's expected to pack the A19 chip, at least 8GB RAM, and full Apple Intelligence support, meaning smooth performance for years. So, is the iPhone 17e Apple's best budget iPhone ever? If Apple gets the pricing right this time, especially in markets like India, the answer could finally be yes. This might be the budget iPhone that actually makes sense. What do you think about the iPhone 17e? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple leaks and updates.